Hi, welcome to the Backcountry Health Rehab video library. Today we'll be going over to how to foam roll your lats, latissimus dorsi, one of the big major back muscles that can commonly be tight and overactive.
The latissimus dorsi is a broad, flat muscle that runs from your mid and lower back all the way up to the humerus on your upper arm, which makes it a very important muscle for scapular motion and control of movements in the shoulder joint, including pulling motions like chin-ups or climbing. If your lats are overly tight, you may have limited overhead mobility with your arms, which can impair or cause compensations in a number of movement patterns. In this video, you can see part of the lat muscle flexing and relaxing. This is the spot slightly beneath the armpit that we want to foam roll to help the lat muscle recover and relax by increasing fluid movement and blood flow in the area. Lie on your side and extend your arm overhead and apply pressure to the meaty part of the lat muscle just below the armpit. It may take some adjustment to find the best spot. Take your time and try to foam roll on the muscle and not on the bony parts of your shoulder blade or ribs. It may feel intense like a massage would, but you shouldn't feel any sharp or acute pain. Spend 1 to 2 minutes on each side, pausing and applying consistent pressure on any particularly tight or tender spots.